stress. If you care, if you care.
Thus critical conditions, I had to move on. True story, no fiction, had to get it out my system. Either that or a constant Ramadan phenomenon unknown, now they out of line. Blinded optics by moves that they made, so the sign the dotted line was a proven mistake. I choose a straight path, never compromise. Now I'm back on. We keep on moving, moving.
It's a cold game.
Ain't losing, losing.
Take a shot, make them drop.
Moving, moving.
To each his own.
When it came to the relative rank for struggling pain.
Keep on moving, moving.
It's a cold game.
Ain't losing, losing.
Take a shot, make them drop.
Moving, moving.
I gotta maintain.
So now let's get on board or fall back. We keep on. I always had it in my bloodstream like drug fiends. That enough schemes stack up on the table of contents. Yeah, I love scream, but never label this nonsense. This is knowledge when it's favorable, so I pay him no homage. The art's in my favor. I study my mistakes, turn the tables around to get the trouble out the way. What goes up comes down. Now we're moving right direction. 21 gun salute for the future. I am destined. Peeps turn to foes, foes turn into arch rivals. Verbal assault rifles from a point blank range. Fuck accepting what you can't change. This ain't a smear campaign. I'm just taking what is rightfully mine. So I'm shining off a lifelong grind. Line for line, I hit it right on time. See the signs are vital. I take caution so my life don't lead in a downward spiral. Moving, moving.
It's a cold game.
Ain't losing, losing.
Take a shot, make them drop.
Moving, moving.
To each his own.
When it came to the relative rank for struggling pain.
Keep on moving, moving.
It's a cold game.
Ain't losing, losing.
Take a shot, make them drop.
Moving, moving.
I gotta maintain.
So now let's get on board or fall back. We keep on.
Forward through the setbacks, move at a soldier's pace. Warned along the way, I guess I had to make my own mistakes. Finally forgave myself for missing signs that those were snakes. Marched through the memories with hand grenades, not holding hate. Golden State, spite the sunshine, one of the coldest states. Friends turn into me for cash and cops swear they own the place. That's universal like show shock and flows amaze. Top of the top, glow drop, then I zone the space. Motion perpetual, floating multi-directional. Charity for charity and business with professionals. That's the new model to follow, respect respectable. Keep biz separate, exceptions only for exceptional. The essence of a champ coming through and I survived. Beat down but I stood up tall and I'm alive. Born a warrior, blessed with that vital drive. Slapped the doctor back, kissed my mother, told her I've arrived. Can you imagine people catch the fire, catch the rush? Careful, watch your step, crossing the bridge to catch up to us. Specialists killing any sound they put next to us. Veteran, movement of the people like Exodus.
Moving, moving.
It's a cold game.
Ain't losing, losing.
Take a shot, make them drop.
Moving, moving.
To each his own.
When it came to the relative rank for struggling pain.
Keep on moving, moving.
It's a cold game.
Ain't losing, losing.
Take a shot, make them drop.
Moving, moving.
Maintain.
So now let's get on board or fall back. We keep on.
Smile in my face and behind my back the tone is bitter. On the dog, I own a litter, my tone is dimmer. Nothing to see here, so I disperse immediate. No animals were hurt during the training of obedience. I planted roots, but my city is the seediest, where every strain has been crossed and cost is exceeding us. My works of art are like works of art. The shit's the joint from the sound of when the first drum starts. From the jump, I've been marked, set, ready to jet. Ready for next, this is time served, wrapped around a sentence. I stretch, roll the distance, my code persistent. My code is on a mission, pole position. Along the coldest road, hit the turn, smoke until the corner's gone. The lights drop and then the morning dawns. I was born upon the coast to feel my presence. They feel the movement, feel the entrance. What? EV, rocker, prop Dylan, logophobia. What up? Don't stop.